All right, so what is a definite sign that he does not like you, but is acting like he likes you, right? Let me tell you something. There are a few signs that a guy doesn't like you, right? And a lot of the times, the it's really hard to say this, but the level of masculinity that a guy has around you, a lot of the times is an indication of how much he doesn't like you. Because unfortunately, it's the the more feminine a guy acts around you, the more he likes you. The problem is that sometimes some women get turned off by it, right? They want the guy who's masculine, but she doesn't know that as soon as he likes her, he turns feminine. He doesn't want to lose you, right? He didn't care about you. That's why he liked them, you know? That's a sign that you, in reality, you got some fucking issues. Anyways, so look, so how do you know if he doesn't like you? It's very simple, man. He takes it, he doesn't give, right? He could, you have the feeling that you have the feeling, along with the feeling that he likes you, but you also have a feeling that he doesn't like you. There's like a little doubt in your mind, right? And the reason why you feel doubt is because your senses are picking up on something, but your rational mind doesn't want to verbalize it, right? And so you sort of just you suppress you suppress the things you see, and you rationalize that he likes you because you remember the good things. As soon as you're thinking whether or not he likes you, he doesn't like you. He just because it's funny because when he likes you, you either A, get turned off by it, or B, you you don't feel the fear of chasing. You know what I'm saying? Because he's validating you, right? And it's very simple solution to this, man. As soon as you feel like a guy, as soon as you feel like a guy is being inconsistent, or you feel like you're putting in more effort than he is putting in, look, ladies, just stop. You drop your hand, drop whatever's in your hand, and you just say, I'm done. I'm done. It's like surrendering to life, surrendering to death. You're like, you know what? I'm not gonna control this. You either like me or you don't. I'm not, there's nothing that I could, you gotta realize this, is that there's nothing that you could do to make him like you more. But there are things that there's nothing that you could do to make him like you, but if you don't do nothing, that could potentially make him like you, right? The problem is that that guy who didn't like you in the beginning, when he begins liking you because you begin to not care, don't misconstrue that as him really liking you, because it's just ego. His ego's hurt, right? And he's gonna immediately lose interest as soon as you validate him, right? In other words, as soon as you sense that he's opening up, you're like, you know what? Alex's tactic is working. Fuck what he says, it's working, and he likes me now. No, he doesn't. What he's doing is that you're giving him the validation, and what's gonna happen is that it happened to me too, man. It happened to me with a girl I really liked. It's crazy. As soon as she gave that ass, and boy was I waiting for that. Sorry about that. I was like, fuck that. It wasn't a big of a deal as I thought it was. Honest to God, right? So, ladies, makeup sex is the best thing in the planet. All right. That's why it's always good to sometimes create those breakups. Anyways, I don't do that kind of stuff because I'm not with someone right now, but not to the level of intensity as it would work if you break up with a girl as opposed to a friend who kind of likes you. Anyways, so yeah, man, like the more masculine a guy is, but the thing is you gotta know if that's his character, right? You gotta notice, like, does he behave the same way with his friends, right? Because again, a guy could be a bitch amongst his friends, but because you validate him so much, he acts all willy-nilly, it's like a kid who misbehaves when his parents are around. So what you gotta do is stop validating him, man. It's that simple. And again, when you validate someone, they get cocky. It's like when a guy validates you, right? When a guy validates you, you all of a sudden start pulling away because he knows he loves that ass. And so you know that you have something that he wants, and now you're able to control it. We all know that, ladies. Come on, let's not play the game. But guys do that too, The minority of guys do that too, right? So it's unfortunate though, because that's why most relationships don't work, unfortunately, because there has to be that balance, and when you make a guy like you, he gets feminine. It's just how it is, and that's why it's good for you guys, for guys to watch my channel, so that when a guy likes you, he doesn't fucking ruin it. You know what I'm saying? Like he doesn't so that he doesn't ruin it for you. So yeah, he likes you, but he's still keeping the mystery. And that's what you want. Like, look, again, man, like if he has good intentions, that's what you want, right? Isn't that what you want? People say, oh, you're not romantic enough. Bitch, I'm trying, man. Hey, look, man, I'm trying to be business just for you, man. Fuck. Anyways, all right, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this. By the way, man, don't forget, man, I have a every Saturday on Instagram, I'm doing live videos on Instagram. So there you guys can ask the free questions for all the freeloaders that want to get free questions. You know who you are. Every Saturday, you go to my Instagram. It's on the link below, and you could get free advice for free. I know you guys love that word. And yeah, all right, guys. All right, so I want you guys to check out my online course. It's called Dark Game, all right? And in this course, I pretty much teach you guys all of the most powerful techniques to get a guy to love you. Let me show you some of the things that we're going to talk about on this course, right? Because this course is pretty much a coaching session where I give you guys where each section, for example, right? Each section we're talking about the pre-honeymoon period, the honeymoon period, and the post-honeymoon period. Every relationship is in these three places, right? And so it identify you what are the signs that you're in each of these phases, and then I give you guys specific techniques that are meant for that specific stage. All right. So in this course, you will literally be coached by me without being coached by me. All right. On top of that, I give you guys some of the psychologies of attraction to help prepare your mind so that you don't have unrealistic expectation. Right. So on the pre-honeymoon period, we have something in the likes of introduction to the pre-honeymoon period, how to get to know a guy the right way, how to get to know him indirectly, directly, how to create a powerful reputation, how to create attraction non-verbally, how to instill thoughts of commitment, how to use weakness to create a strong bond, and we also provide pop quizzes, right? This course pretty much, I don't give you guys a bunch of techniques. I just give you guys everything that really works. I am telling you, these techniques are meant for specific reasons. I could have put out a bunch of different videos, but I knew that these are the videos that you guys need to avoid being manipulated, right? And end up with the guy that you want, all right? So I want you guys to check out this course, man. This course, I'm putting a lot of work and effort, and I know that if you guys purchase this course, you guys will be able to get any guy you set your mind to, right? So check it out. I provide free videos, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys can check it out absolutely for free. And if you don't want it, you don't have to purchase it, all right? Anyways, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. Take care. And the beauty about all of this is that it's only $99. And if you guys know my coaching sessions, I have coaching sessions that are over $1,000, right? So this is pretty much a way for you guys to get coached by me without paying a hefty price. And the beauty is that there's a money back guarantee. If you guys don't like the course, you guys will literally get money back. Look, these are the things that people can say. All I can say is this stuff is powerful. It works. Alex, keep up the good work, but you're putting everything in clear, vivid understanding for us and providing an example. It is really useful. All right, ladies. So if you guys enjoyed this, all right, ladies. So yeah, check out this course. It is the shit, in my opinion. I know you guys are gonna love it. It's 29 videos. So take care, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves.